it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today for another Top Tip Tuesday. And today I am going to just do a reminder of something, and I keep forgetting it myself, so I thought I would take the chance to remind you guys as well. Die cuts. Intricate die cuts. They are beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that just gorgeous? Intricate die cuts can be a little bit of a challenge, and the challenge isn't so much the die cutting, it's the getting all the little pieces out. So we have the take your pick die brush tip. It fits onto the end of your take your pick, and it comes with two foam pieces which are useful for the whole technique. Now, I have yet to order my take your pick die brush. This means I should be ordering it. I did this in April. So yeah, I keep forgetting, but I do have the one that we used to carry. So I'm going to show you what I mean with that. So let me bring in my die cut machine and a piece of Merry Merlot. I'm choosing Merry Merlot on the basis that it is a nice dark colour, so if I put it on white you will then be able to see. So it's an edge die, so I'm going to push it over to the far side. I'm having it at an angle because I always think it's best to run things through your die cut at an angle if you can, and then just run it through, trying not to disturb the camera too much, and take the whole thing out, pop my die cutter on the floor and pick up my die. Now, a couple of bits have already come out, which is great because it does therefore mean that it has die cut. Always a plan. I keep my foam in one of the wood mount cases. It fits really quite well. And then you can pop your piece in there and just get your brush and, oops, trying to keep the brush in, the die in place. Just run over the back of your die, and the vast majority of pieces will have come out. Now, if there are a few little bits that haven't, you can just pop those out, but it's much quicker than having to take each piece out on its own. And there we have our beautiful die cut. So there we are. I will list the Take Your Pick tool version of this on my website. The dies that I've chosen to use are the delicate lace edgelet dies. I just wanted something that would have that, you know, would be intricate enough to show. So there you go. So 2 tips. 1, keep your foam in a wood mount case. And again, I will list those on my website as well. And get your brush. Thank you very much indeed. A really, really quick top tip today, but hopefully one that you will find useful. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If you've found that useful, please give it a thumbs up. Questions or comments below the description bar. Obviously, if you don't already subscribe and would like to, button is in the bottom right hand corner. And do remember that if you're in the UK, I would be thrilled if you would shop with me. Thank you very much indeed, and I see you again very soon. Bye!